Metal Associates Incorporated is a full-line distributor of ferrous and non-ferrous metals, specializing in hard-to-find alloys and waveguide tubing. We supply high-conductivity copper in forms like sheets, rods, bars, coils, and wires for electrical, industrial, and precision applications. Our copper tubes, pipes, and specialty alloys, such as OFHC, beryllium copper, and tellurium copper, are ideal for HVAC, plumbing, thermal, and machining uses. We offer precision-cut brass in various forms, ideal for applications requiring strength and workability. Our brass alloys provide excellent machinability, corrosion resistance, and formability. We supply bronze in sheets, rods, bars, coils, foils, wires, tubes, and pipes, ideal for marine, automotive, and applications requiring corrosion resistance. Our bronze alloys include phosphor bronze, aluminum bronze, and manganese bronze. We supply lock wire in a wide range of materials, gauges, and forms, including cadmium-plated copper, Monel, Inconel, aluminum, and stainless steel. Our lock wire ensures fastener security under vibration and stress and is available in custom-drawn profiles. We supply custom waveguide tubing for high-frequency signal transmission across radar, microwave, and optical systems. Our tubing is available in standard and specialty materials, copper, aluminum, bronze, and nickel alloys, with options for thin, heavy, and reduced height walls. We supply a wide range of aluminum products, including custom forms, to support diverse commercial applications. Our aluminum alloys, such as 1100, 2024, 6061, and 7075, offer excellent strength, corrosion resistance, and conductivity. We offer a wide range of high-purity metals and elements, from aluminum and copper to tungsten and zirconium, in billets, ingots, and powders. Our materials support critical applications in research, semiconductors, optics, lasers, sensors, and other advanced technologies. We supply versatile steel products, including carbon, tool, and high-speed steel. Our stainless steel alloys provide corrosion resistance and a clean finish, ideal for medical tools, kitchenware, industrial equipment, and custom fabrications. Contact Metal Associates today for all your metal needs.